Hi everyone, I'm Shyam Anand from Hyper Automobiles. So this is a new channel startup and I'm Shyam Anand and the cameraman behind the camera, that's cameraman.
Yeah. Yo, what's
is
up?
Lohit.
Yeah.
So yeah, we just started to make videos right now.
For
about
fun.
cars.
Yeah.
About
So
cars.
this
Yeah.
is gonna be our first car review.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's a 2012 Honda City and it's a manual, not automatic.
Yeah.
And I'm just disclosing it right now. It's my car.
Yeah.
So I won't do any partiality. So
Okay.
yeah,
Honest opinion.
Correct.
So,
correct.
yeah.
Before we kick off this review, I want to just ask you guys please to subscribe to our channel. Don't hit the subscribe button because I don't want you to break your laptops and all those things.
Sorry, we got distracted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
That
wanted
happens a lot if you are in
Exactly.
a public
And because
garage.
it's middle, we can't cross it also. So
Oh gosh, please don't mind those. Anyways.
please don't mind us.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't hit the subscribe button. Please click it. You're just a button away. We both have huge surprises coming. Right.
Yeah. Yeah,
Kind
we'll
of.
soon review like SVJ and Pista.
Yeah, because-
that's not a dream.
Correct,
It will
correct.
be coming soon.
And
so yeah.
we also, we are doing this because of a reason. We are
Yeah.
going to disclose it when we something.
Yeah,
You'll
you
get
will
to know.
see it in future.
Exactly. Click the subscribe button right now.
Yeah. Or
Okay.
else you'll regret it. Anyways. Yeah.
Okay, whatever. So let's kick off this review by talking about the design. So first things first. What do you guys think of the color? This is called the Carnelian Red Pearl. Let us know in the comments. Just look up to the internet and just tell what this color looks like. This is my favorite color. So yeah, we'll start off the design. So in the front, you have this huge grille which it's split into three halves. It has a chrome treatment, like complete chrome treatment. You have this huge Honda badge over here. This was an option we added. It's a RS badge. That's why it's in red and silver. And then yeah, down there is. And the good thing I like about this is there is no fakery. There is no fake vents. It's all real vents.
Yeah, it's official ones.
Yeah, there is no closed vents.
It's not like Suzuki cars where you have those fake
Exactly. And you have these beautiful headlights. They have this effect kind of thing inside, like a Bentley. Just kidding.
ones.
Then-
Bentley is royal.
Exactly.
That's a bit different.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is sports car.
Yeah, then I feel it looks beautiful.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
whole headlight setup, it looks awesome. Then yeah, the whole thing, the paint comes over here. So yeah, these tires come. Oh my god.
Yeah.
So we are very sorry. We're in a car parking right now. So
Yeah.
lot of disturbance.
As you can see there.
Xylo.
Yeah, okay. So yeah.
Yeah. By the way, that car sucks. If one of you have it, we are very sorry.
Regrets and that. Yeah.
I know. So these are, Michelin tires, 15 inches.
Yeah.
So these come as.
He could actually afford it. That's the big thing.
Gucci
Like,
gang. Just
Yeah.
kidding. So yeah, these come as standard. You can't upgrade to 17 inches or anything. So these are just 15.
Oh.
Even if you want to upgrade, you have to go to some aftermarket guy
Yeah.
to change your
The
wheels.
rims look so good.
Exactly, they're alloys.
Yeah.
They're not those.
They're half flower. They are half
Exactly.
strips. They
Exactly.
look good. Yeah.
And it flows with the design.
Exactly.
Very elegant design.
It matches.
Because it's 2012, it doesn't have the electrically adjustable, so you have to manually close it.
Okay.
But the interior mirror can be electrically adjusted
Oh.
by the button in the
We'll
driver's
show
seat.
you
Yes, we'll go to the interior and show you.
soon. Yeah.
And then yeah, very nicely it flows. The design flows.
Yeah.
And then you have these scuff plates over here, which is painted in the body color. All the Carnelian Red Pearl. You have full chrome treatment on here.
Yeah.
And then you have the fuel tank. Again, you have wheels, 15 inches. Now coming to the back.
The
don't-
back looks very aggressive, kind of.
Yeah. Don't mind the plushy one.
Oh yeah.
That's a bomb.
Bomb bird.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah.
We'll show that to you when in interior.
Yeah.
So yeah, here it flows pretty well. You have the chrome treatment over here. It's in chrome. It's written the badging City V, and then it's the IV Tech. It's IV Tech, so it's the petrol. If it's ID Tech, it's the diesel one.
Oh.
And then you have it's a double exhaust. One is placed inside another.
Oh yeah, I can
So
see.
it's pretty.
You can see this.
Significant for this model.
Yeah.
You have this huge, I don't know, diffuser kind of thing. I don't know if that works also. It's plastic. I don't care.
Okay.
But whatever, it looks good from the back.
Satisfying. Yeah.
Then that's about the design of the 2012 Honda.
Right.
Yeah, so we're gonna get the city's competition straight.
Yeah.
So the city in the same segment as the Volkswagen Vento, right
Yeah.
over here. The Vento. That's for another review. We're gonna review
Yeah.
that completely
And
differently.
Hyundai Verna.
Hyundai Verna and the Skoda Rapid. which is
Rapid,
over
which
there.
I'll show
Yeah.
you. To be honest, from these four competition, I think I like the Skoda Rapid more. But you guys should let that in your comments. Like you can tell us
Exactly.
what you
Let's see
feel
what you
about it. Yeah.
But one thing, I don't know whether you noticed, guys, but in the Rapid, okay, it's not my car, so it's not,
Yeah.
I don't have the keys also.
Yeah.
Just look at these guys. Fake vents. Skoda.
Oh.
Don't do Skoda. Oh my god, so
Oh,
many previous
scam
vents.
vents, yeah.
But they have the radiator inside, so
Yeah.
completely fine. Moving back to the city, this is another review. Yeah, so when we unlock the car, it shows one light, so that's the meaning of unlock. When we lock it, it shows 3. So this is
Oh.
unlock. So it shows 3, and then unlock means just 1. So now it's unlocked. So let's move on to the interior.
Interior. There's Sham sitting.
Yup.
Yep.
The driver.
Let's run away. Anyways.
Okay, guys, I wish I could drive, but
Yeah.
we are like 14, 15.
Yeah.
So we're very sorry. We
If you guys are American viewers, you must be lucky.
exactly.
You might know how to.
or even
drive.
Canadian.
Yeah, Canadians, I think not 14, but.
Very
anyways,
lucky.
We are unlucky, so yeah.
No one cares. Okay,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
So as soon as you enter, you're welcome to this, artificial leather interior. What I have to say is cheap plastic.
Yeah, it's the plastic had in Santro, to be honest. Hyundai.
Yeah. So Lois had a Santro.
Yeah.
And
I sold it, don't worry.
don't worry. Guess what car he has now? No, don't tell it.
Okay, it'll be coming soon.
It'll be coming soon.
But you can keep guessing in the comments.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay. So cheap plastic. I think because the airbag is here, it has to be cheap plastic.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. And then
One good thing, he at least had an airbag. I didn't even have that in my Santro.
Actually,
but
yeah. Even Santo didn't have airbags.
Yeah.
Then, cheap plastic. Only that. Here and all, it's pretty nice.
Nice.
You have this felt kind of thing.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's a soft thing. And then, coming to the infotainment system of the car. This, I think, is pretty good for 2012.
Yeah. That time there's no touch screen, so
Exactly.
most of the modern cars might now have. And there's leg reveal of mine, please don't mind. Yeah.
Leg reveal. Oh, great, right.
If we reach 1k subs, I'll do a face reveal. Yeah.
Yeah. And,
Yeah.
I was thinking, okay, we're just discussing this live,
Okay.
just to you guys. Lohit.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be a big conversation, don't worry.
Yeah.
Should we go on live once we reach 2000 subscribers or something?
Oh yeah. Okay, guys. Look, once I get past my 10th or 12th board exam, we can go live. Right? Yeah.
And he's in which grade?
10th right now.
10th.
So 2 more years. Fight for it. Yeah.
Fight for it.
Yeah.
And
they're
then
terrible years. So yeah.
oh my god, yeah. And I'm in 9th. So
Yeah.
yeah, we are
3
1 year
more
apart.
years, but yeah.
Yeah, whatever. I'll keep doing this.
Yeah.
Like I love cars. I'm just disclosing
Exactly.
it off now. We both. And then so for 2012. It's this one, you get these buttons. Whatever, these buttons feel premium. At least that is good.
One thing funny, guys, my Santro car radio broke. It's so bad, and this one is actually pretty good. It won't break. It's completely inside the car. That one was ejecting out, so it broke literally. So yeah.
Hyundai, caring for you always.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here you have a secret kind of storage compartment.
whoa, okay.
It's only for this city, and then not only for mine, this generation.
Yeah.
And you have all these auxiliary ports and all those things. I think it's well fit. Like it looks pretty nice.
Yeah.
Like they made it in a nice square shape. It looks pretty intuitive. This thing is, I don't know, some magnetic thing
okay.
for answering calls and all that shit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sorry.
So there's a AC. There's a climate controls from hot to medium to cold, whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
Fan speed. You can do it whatever you want, and where you want the AC to come.
Yeah.
Where you want the AC to come.
Yeah.
And this is, whether you want it to circulate inside the air or you want it to, you want to get the air from outside. It's completely, yeah.
Even my EcoSport doesn't have that, but okay. Yeah. Anyways.
Anyways,
Yeah.
okay, whatever.
Yeah.
And that was cringe. Okay, okay. Now coming, that was pretty much the infotainment system. Not the worst.
Yeah.
It was good. Now coming to practicality and storage. So for storage, you have a glove box here, passenger compartment.
Yeah. This most of the cars will have.
Exactly. It's pretty
obviously.
huge.
Yeah, that's huge.
And then here you have kind of, you don't have wireless charging and all those new things.
Yeah.
And then you have just a place to charge your phones
Yeah.
with this wire. And then you have 2 cup holders, decently
Oh,
sized.
you have a charger? That's a good thing.
Yeah, we have a
That
port.
I didn't
Correct,
have in
correct.
Santro.
And then we have a small thing. I don't know what this meant for, below the handbrake or
Yeah, I
parking
think
brake.
for keeping sanitizer and all small
Maybe,
stuff.
maybe,
Yeah.
maybe. And then you also have this
Oh,
over here.
nice, yeah.
It's it's an
Cup holder,
Alcantara.
I think.
No, not cup holder exactly. It's just a storage space.
Okay.
Nothing else.
Yeah.
Then yeah, that's about practicality in the front. Oh, we have this also here. You can, in the driver's footwell, you can open this. And then
And there's buttons to open the window and all.
exactly, and this is a Swiss knife. I'm not gonna kill anyone.
Oh, Swiss knife.
Swiss knife. And as you can see, it has a clutch. So it's a manual. Yay! I love manuals, by the way.
Yeah.
I don't know how to drive, but still I love manuals. I know I'm
Yeah.
crazy. So that's about all are power windows.
Yeah.
Nothing is like coinky.
Yeah, that my Santro
Sandro.
had coinky, but yeah.
Coinky.
Yeah.
And yeah, so that's about it. And then you have decently sized door bins over here, even in
Yeah.
that side, to keep packet of tissues and all those things just over there. It's pretty decent. So yeah, let's move on to the back seats.
Guys, I know we teleported to the back seat. We use our life hacks, and yeah, this is the bomb here. I said I would be showing you. So yeah, anyways.
So coming to the comfort of the back seat, I would say I'm like 5'4", 5'8". I don't know what that means, but still I'm
Yeah.
5'4", 5'8".
Yeah.
Head-
His head
headroom is very nice. Like not the best.
touching the roof, so that's
So
a
it's,
good
it's
thing.
very nice. And for
Yeah.
the driver, they have this extra cutout.
Oh, that's so good.
For more comfort.
I would
but
bump my head.
so I am pretty comfortable over here. Knee room is awesome.
Yeah.
This is my dad's normal driving position. So it's all pure in comparison. Then leg room is also very nice.
Oh.
You can just stretch out how much you want. This is a maximum. You can't just go. It's not Jet Airways or something.
Yeah.
So yeah. Then here also you have a cup holder, one giant cup holder to
Yeah.
keep something. Storage space over here in the back. You have these airplane, kind of pockets. These things, trash.
Yeah.
Then you have the speakers over here.
For
Yeah.
the songs.
Yeah, same thing. You can all these Alcantara. You can all the power windows. We'll just get into the engine in a minute. One sec. And then what do you say? The seat belts are over here. By the way, this doesn't have a sunroof. So
Yeah, this is an old car, so.
no, actually we had an option to add a
Oh,
sunroof,
okay.
but that was like 1 lakh more. At
Oh
that
my
time-
god, who would add a sunroof for 1 lakh?
No, at that time 1 lakh was like 2 lakhs or
Yeah.
4 lakhs.
And trust me, sunroof in India is totally useless because if you open the roof, pigeons will literally fly inside. And you don't want that, right?
Exactly. Yeah, so I think that's about the back seat. You have these
Yeah.
things for holding
Yeah,
on.
holders.
Yeah, just like
If
you
you're
know-
going too fast.
Exactly, if your driver is driving like, I don't know, like Dominic Toretto from Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
I don't know if your driver is me.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, so that's about the back seat. Yeah, so guys, I forgot to show this off. Ugh. Yeah, you have
lot
this.
of steering there.
I know, you have this. A center armrest.
Cup holders and
2
center
cup
armrest.
holders. Decently sized ones.
Yeah.
They don't come out, so yeah, it's fixed. And then it's actually very nice.
Yeah.
You can don't keep a key here. It's not keyless entry. Then yeah, that's about the storage space. 1 second, I'll just close it down. Whee. Yeah. Then that's up. Yeah. So guys, now we're gonna open the boot of the car. So this here, we have lever over here. You pull this, that it comes up. It comes up. Yeah. And then yeah. So you just lift it up.
Lot of space.
A lot of space. It has like 500 liters of boot
That he
space.
literally kept some boxes there.
Exactly.
And you can even keep so much suitcase and all.
I know. And just to show you guys, the boot lid is not very, what do you say, elevated from the ground. So suppose you're carrying something, you can just drop it like this. And they've kept this plastic here just so that you don't scratch your paint work. So it's for, modern things for saving your paint. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, one thing, these rear seats do not fold. So because it's a sedan, I think the rear seats do not fold.
Alright, so guys, now we're doing the most exciting part and the most creepiest part also, which Sham will be doing. So it's basically we're going to show the engine. Yeah. So
the engine, you have a lever here in the driver's footwell.
yeah.
That thing pops out.
Yeah.
Then
This is not exciting yet. The engine's performance is really good. And you'll be
Exactly.
seeing it soon.
you just put this in here and it stays. So this is Honda's beautiful 1.5 liter naturally aspirated inline 4 iVTEC engine.
Yeah.
And you know, this iVTEC is derived from VTEC, which is VTEC was a pure legend. iVTEC stands for intelligent VTEC. It has more compromised power and all those, just for fuel consumption. It wants to save fuel, but the VTEC, the one which I was not there, that thing used to fly like
Really?
crazy. That used
Yeah.
to beat if you're car fans, that VTEC, Honda's VTEC used to beat Gallardos and 4.5 Italias. It still beats 488 GTBs now.
Oh, okay.
But they stopped doing it because it was
Thank God. Ferraris for life.
exactly. And
And
Lotus
guys,
is
don't mind, I'm a huge Ferrari fan.
Exactly.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
I like every car, but I love Ferraris the most.
Exactly.
Right now you'll see t-shirt reveal. I'm wearing a red shirt.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So
Anyways.
1.5 liter naturally aspirated inline 4, no turbos.
Yeah.
And okay, interesting numbers. So it has 120 horsepower and at stock
Yeah.
and 146 Newton meters of torque.
Sorry. Small kids though.
120
Yeah.
horsepower, 146 Newton meters of torque at stock. But this one has been tuned to stage 2, not stage 1 also. Stage 2, and then now this has around 140 horsepower from 120, and from 146 it has 156 Newton meters of
Yeah.
torque. So you can see the jump in acceleration.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, so sorry guys. Yeah, so you can, so first it used to have this sluggish acceleration. But once you put your foot down on the accelerator, it used to take time to respond. Now you put your foot down, it instantly responds.
Oh.
Pretty much
okay.
better. Like in highways for overtaking people, you just put your foot
Yeah.
down, downshift, that's it.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's about the engine. Now,
Okay, so now is the most exciting part. Sham is going to rev the engine.
Yeah.
And you're going to hear the exhaust sound, which is super powerful.
I know.
Yeah, so get in, Sham, don't die. Sham's never driven a car, so
Yeah,
fingers crossed. Yeah.
Yeah, once you come.
Okay, I'm always nervous in this part, I don't know why.
Yeah, come here.
Oh,
I'll just
sorry.
Show that this thing. So once you put your key in, it shows this beeping sound.
Yeah.
That your key is in. Don't forget your key. And then one more you put, the time and the infotainment system comes to life. Then one more, the battery comes and all those.
Yeah, and it looks so satisfying. the
Exactly,
bluish color.
exactly. Because the I think 2000, the one before this had oranges. This has blues, and I think they
Okay.
stopped it here.
I like the blue one, but
Yeah.
orange is not bad.
And then as you can see, this is the, it shows that you're not put your seatbelt, doors are open,
Yeah.
parking brake is on, all those things. The ignition is going to be on. So it has this beautiful crystal laid things. And it goes all the way till 220. I think it goes till, so its top speed is around 195 kilometers an hour.
Yeah.
So it kind of reaches 200, but it won't cross 200. It has
Yeah.
limiters in it. So and one more turn, you go to the T15. That is the ignition. Have a listen to this.
Okay, the exhaust.
Yeah, one second. So
So-
and here you have all the steering mounted controls, cruise control. You can set the volume, mode, and channel, cancel, all
Yeah.
those things for the infotainment system. You can show them the lights. So when you switch on the lights, which is low beam, you can see the infotainment system comes to life.
Yeah.
Like it was like this. Now it's like this.
Yeah.
And then when you put the high beam, it becomes little more, nothing happens pretty much, but it shows that you're in high beam. Show them the lights. So this is nothing. Yeah, so this is low beam. And this is high beam.
Yeah, so that was low beam and this is high beam. High beam.
High beam.
Yeah. Looks aggressive with lights. Yeah.
Exhaust, please.
Yeah. Now the most exciting part, we're going to rev the exhaust. This is even a scary part, so yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. We were getting some tips from our friend and Okay, now we'll rev the exhaust. Yeah. That's so creepy, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
That
it.
goes all the way till 4,500 RPM.
Yeah.
Which is
Oh
pretty
my
much
God,
insane
yeah.
for a city car. So it used to go till I think 4,000 or something. Once we tuned it to stage 1, 3,200 or something. no, 4,200 or something. Once we do to stage 2, I think it goes till 4,500. So it's awesome.
Yeah. So that's it for the exhaust, guys.
Exactly.
Yeah, the most exciting part.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, again.
Yeah, so I forgot to tell you guys on the design part, this is actually known as the arrow shot design. It has this arrow kind of,
Theme.
sharp kind
Yeah.
of thing.
Looks like an arrow apparently, but I know
Exactly,
it
but
doesn't. Yeah.
what do you say? Before this, it was something called a dolphin nose generation, and I'm being honest with you guys, that thing looked like a sick horse. I don't know why. That
Yeah.
thing looks so ugly. I just put up the picture somewhere there. So, what's the final verdict on the car? What do we think of the car? What do you think, Lloyd?
I think it's pretty good for a city car, pretty sporty for a city car. And yeah, it's even good as a family car because it's a 5-seater, you would
Yes,
say.
yes.
And it has like pretty aggressive looks and all. Yeah.
Yeah, I would say it is like, what do you say? 40% a family machine, and
60% a race machine.
A sport machine. Yeah, exactly.
Not
Because-
race, but yeah.
Exactly,
sport.
because this can be tuned very high.
Yeah.
I'm not saying to more than 200.
And you can even use this for drag racing all the other city
Exactly.
cars like Vento and all.
Yeah, and this is just like 1.1 tons, which is pretty good actually.
Yeah.
And then what we think of it, it's pretty sleek. The design
Yeah.
is just awesome. It's wonderful. But I can't point a bad thing. I don't know why. Like,
Yeah. Being honest, this is a good car.
Exactly. It's a kind of an all-rounder. I
Yeah.
feel.
You can tell us what you don't like of it.
And
in
what you
the-
like of it also in the
Yeah.
comments.
Yeah. Alright. So that's all
Yeah,
for
and,
today, guys.
Okay, and something which you have improved.
Oh yeah.
It is this antenna. This antenna, I'm telling you, it's awesome. But the thing is, if you see the Verna over there, it has a shark fin antenna.
Yeah, which looks more better.
Exactly. It makes
It
it
matches
more,
the car.
It makes it more aerodynamic.
Yeah.
So for going fast, Jake.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah,
it could-
yeah.
exact- And the Verna came in the same time as this city.
Oh, so they could have done
They
that
could
for
have done
this
it,
also.
but I think to keep the price down.
Yeah.
That's-
Already this is such a good car.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And one second, guys. You put a key in here. One more thing. You see here. You see all the mechanisms,
Yeah.
which is pretty annoying. You could have put, kind of the soft thing which you put inside and all.
Yeah.
You could have covered it.
But now that metal is seen and it looks weird.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think that's it. We don't like.
Or else it's a good car.
It's a very nice car.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's about it. So this was our first video on
Yeah.
our Hyper Automobiles channel.
Please give a like
Exactly.
and
Like,
subscribe.
share,
I
subscribe.
hope you guys enjoy the video.
Exactly.
so.
And tell us how we can improve also.
Yeah,
Because-
we won't mind. Any bad comment and all, we won't mind.
Exactly. So what we-
Unless it doesn't include swearing, but yeah. That's
Okay, so
fine.
whatever. What do you say? I think we will upload. No, I don't think we are uploading videos every Friday. Fine, right?
Yeah.
Every Friday.
Yeah.
So that you can.
Yeah.
You can, sit back in your home. Weekends coming, and you
Yeah.
can watch this.
If you're a car fan.
Exactly. And please do subscribe because we
Yeah.
have huge things coming. Huge
Yeah.
surprises.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was it. Thank you.
Yeah. And that's the Ford EcoSport. It looks so good.
Titanium.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks
Thank you.
guys. Yeah. Hope have a good day.